What's up, Raylo fam? Today we're playing Kingdom Hearts. I am dressed as Hiccup from How to Train a Dragon, and our special guest today is Toothless. He's ready to play Kingdom Hearts. Gonna stand by me. Let's put you up here, bud. We're gonna be playing Kingdom Hearts. Apparently I cannot go up there, but I have to get the bear somehow. Well, Toothless, we lost. Let's try again. Toothless agrees. Yeah. Michael, found out the health bar.
What?
I found his health bar.
The guy?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll be down.
Real Mike's coming down to join me and Toothless.
did you get the health bar to come up?
Lock on.
Can't use a potion yet. That's right, let's go. You gotta hit them higher for it to register. You have to go off the table, I think. When you hit him low, it doesn't count against his HP.
How do I get on the
You
table?
have to jump straight up, and then look back. So ready? Hold on, you gotta get away from it. You can't be under it. Ready? Jump. You gotta hold down.
Okay, there we go.
Nice. Good again. Oh, yeah. There we go. Yes, keep going, keep going, keep going. Do you have that freeze yet? Uh-oh. See, once he gets the fire, we gotta find out how to get the freeze. We can't beat it without the freeze. Are you hearing me? The freeze is necessary.
Press lock on.
How?
The joint. You had it before. Yeah,
Got it?
yeah.
I think when he gets to a certain health, he just, or she, whatever it is, just goes and gets the hands.
Press lock on again.
I need to get up here.
Raylo fam, today, Raylo Mike has decided to join me in the video, to beat this boss. Quick, use the items. Again, lock on.
they have the fire, we're pretty much done for.
Potion, quick.
Oh, then did yours get rid of it again?
Yeah. Go.
She just keeps re-getting it. See, once she has it, we're done for.
Do you have any more potions?
Yeah. Maybe you just gotta stay tight.
Grab all the help. Go get the potion. Help, 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 help.
Get her! Yes! Oh my gosh, let's go! I guess you have to be close when she has the fire. Please save spot that. Let's go! There.
Raylo, Mike, what do you have to say?
That was brilliant. Thank goodness. You set me up nicely and I executed. Yes!
I wonder which level we'll move on to next.
That's a great question.
Wait, let me guess. Tarzan.
Is that the final boss though?
Yeah.
So we didn't have to do any of that bear stuff?
No.
What a racket. How's a doorknob to get any sleep?
I think because the key is when we were close to fire, she couldn't spot us and hit
Yeah.
us. She couldn't find us. Double save.
Where did he say she was?
She said I won't say, but I'll give you something. So wait, you can't get through that door?
Oh, that's right. Can you look up how to find Alice?
Oh, can you not get through there?
No.
What the? Did you cut it?
No.
Yeah?
You want to hold Toothless?
Yeah, toss it.
You want to hold Toothless while you look for it?
Yes, please. Alright, go back into the forest. All the way back to the right is an entrance to the tea room. Go through there and into the bazaar room. Light the 2 flames. Then find the exit back into the queen's room. This is all you have to do. We already lit the flames in...
The tea party.
Yeah, but we lit them in the bazaar room too, right?
Yeah. So all we have to do is the queen.
I think you still need to somehow get that bear down. Go back and see if see if the bazaar room is turned. Go into the forest again. Remember? No, the forest. See if the tree is turned so you can get into that other entrance. Other way. Okay, look up. Let me see. It's still there. How do you get into that entrance? Don't get it, they don't get it.
Maybe try the other one.
So this one. I think we went the wrong one like you said earlier the whole time.
Yeah. You get.
I don't want to go in there.
Wait, Michael, go back to that tree. Here. Turn.
Over there? Is that a hole in there?
Yeah.
Can you get up there? Can you get up there? There's also one. We've already been in that one, right?
Yeah.
Confused. In that gameplay, their tree was turned a little bit differently so they could get in there. I think we can get in there. Seems like the trees need to like shift a little bit.
Should we go back to the bazaar room?
Well, remember we have to get into that crazy room in the bazaar room by going through the slot in the trees, but I don't know how to get up there. That one right there we need to get to. Here. Keep going. See, maybe go back in the bazaar and check. I can't figure out how to get in there.
Do we have a plan? Like, look it up?
Let's see. How to drop the bear down in Kingdom Hearts 1.5. Alice's World. Oh. You can always jump through the fireplace while the bazaar room sits on its side. Okay. Here, toss. I have an idea.
What is Toothless Dank?
Thinks he's gonna listen to me, 'cause I think I might not do this.
The bazaar room's up there. Yeah,
How do I get up there again?
the mushrooms.
Where's the round though? Oh, in that room. Where's the entrance to that room? How do I get up there? Here?
Mm-hmm. You see where that nut is?
Huh?
Here.
No, not into the tree though. I need to get into this entrance over here. I need to get into that one I've been in. Haven't we been in there? How do you get back to that tea room over here?
Yeah, if you go through the little door.
Where is it over here? And then, is this how we got into the side of the...
Yeah.
That gives me the queens. How do we get onto the side of the wall of the bazaar room? Right here?
Mm-hmm.
No. How do we get onto the side wall? Remember when we were walking on the wall of the bazaar room? Isn't that entrance?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's the...
This just puts us into the bazaar room. I need to get under that side wall. Oh, that is the side wall.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, shit. It says if you jump into the fireplace.
Here. There it is.
There we go. How do you knock that down? Yes, Dad. Yeah, sure. Alright, peace. Yeah. Oh. How do we knock this shot?
There you go. There's the book.
Oh, that guy was supposed to talk, but maybe not. Alright, now how do I get back?
Go look at the book.
Remember, we have to be big and go look at it.
Okay. The Mad Hatter's place.
How do I get back? Am I stuck in there?
No.
How do I get out of here?
Wait, we're in the Mad Hatter's
Right there.
place, right?
Yes. Where are we at? Oh, ho, ho. Alright, now I gotta go be big. Here, you can do this part now. You go be big, examine the book,
So, like,
and then get the bear.
Mad Hatter's tea place, probably. I'm in the Mad Hatter's place.
No, you need to go back into the bazaar room. So just go out of there, back into the Queen's, and then from the Queen's to the bazaar room.
And this way to the... This way to the bazaar room.
Yes.
I need to get big.
Yep.
Think I got it. Queen's Castle.
Are you in? Yes, because you moved the clock.
Now what do I do?
No. Well, what? Let's save it, please, first.
Huh?
Wait, that brought you right back to the castle?
Yeah.
What?
It didn't say to go to the Queen's.
I don't know where we have to go. Try Alice's place again. Try to go to the teacup party. None of these things show the ending.
I'm at where it is.
We go back outside. Or is there something else you can do? Maybe try to jump through.
Hmm?
Go look at those paintings again or something. I would have thought when we moved that and went back outside, that was it. Alright, put it on hold for now. We'll continue. Pause.
Wait a minute, we got something.
Okay. What is it? Elixir to give to the
Plow.
plants, right?
Let's try that. This is
Which one's the one that asked for the elixir? I think it's the one that was.
over here.
I thought it was the one from the bazaar room. The one inside of that stuff. Here, put it on. Oh, try that one. Please do that one. No. But we do need that one to give it a potion. Do you have any potions? Yeah. Because then that one will make us bigger. I think it's the one. Try the one behind that. Is there anything in there? No, see. I think it's the one that's you enter into there. Behind all that from the bazaar room.
Here?
No, remember how we went into that one? You can't get to it right now. You have to go into the bazaar room. And then go through that one side door and then you get to it.
So I have to go to the bazaar room.
Yes, but put it on hold for now because we have to go pick up dinner. Alright? Let's go. Huh? Work. What's up, La Familia?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Good? Off?
Say it. Happy
Happy
New
New
Year.
Year.